YouTube. Beautiful day out. It's like 94 freaking degrees, but still a really nice day out. A little warm. Not so bad once you're moving. Headed to Terre Haute for dinner somewhere. And it's a Sunday, so there might be some Starbucks in line for today. Just a good day to get out and do some riding. Rode most of the day yesterday, which that was nice. So after 3 Starbucks coffees, now that I'm damn near full, I'm kind of thinking Applebee's. Then I think I'll cruise through town. I've not done that for years. Just kind of go up to the Bash, cruise it once or twice. It's actually getting nice out now that the clouds have moved in. Man, it's freaking hot like, an hour ago. It's actually not that bad now. There used to be a really good coffee shop up here. Used to sit out there for like hours drinking iced cappuccinos. Now it's like a bar or something. Yeah, used to be right here. Now it's a Mexican grill. Seems like everything turns into a Mexican grill anymore. Coffee shop. You know, it wouldn't be Terre Haute. Terre Haute wouldn't be Terre Haute if you didn't get trained and get a crap ton of red lights.